Hey, this is Joel from Arclight Dynamics Tech Support, and you're watching Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about hole quality. If your holes are out of round or have a large taper, there's a few things that we need to check to make sure everything is okay. First thing is to make sure that the path rules is on in your plasma cut operation and sheet cam. So make sure that the path rules is set to standard rules when creating your operation. This allows the torch to slow down for small interior holes. To change the percentage of path rule in sheet cam, you're going to click on the Tools tab at the top, then Cutting Rules, and here are the path rules in this system. So we've got on circles smaller than 2 inches, set feed to 60%. You're going to double click on that rule, and you can now edit your feed rate to 30, 20, 14% to achieve the best hole cut quality. And you can change from 60% down to 30, 20, or even 14% feed rate to minimize the amount of taper in the hole and maximize the hole quality. The next thing to check is to make sure there's no mechanical backlash on the gantry, and this involves a simple push-pull test on the left and right side, as well as the x-axis going left to right. To do a push-pull test, make sure your motor power is on, and then grab the left side, push and pull down the length of the table, grab the x-axis, go left and right, and do the same on the other side. It should be tight. There shouldn't be any movement in the gantry. If there is, give us a call and we can help you diagnose. Hopefully this video helped you optimize your hole quality. If you're still looking for pointers and tips, please give us a call at Arclight Tech Support. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe to see more videos.